10 cruise luggage rules. Every passenger must know, 2025 to 2026. Ever arrived at the terminal to find your power strip sitting in a confiscation bin? Or stepped into your stateroom to discover it's a maze of luggage with no place to sit? It's not random. In 2025, cruise luggage rules got stricter. Royal Caribbean banned multi-plug outlets in September. Carnival is confiscating Bluetooth speakers. Norwegian banned cabin door decorations. Most passengers have no idea. Today, I'm sharing 10 cruise luggage rules that will save you from confiscation chaos, cabin clutter, and hundreds in replacement costs. Whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned veteran, these updates will transform how you pack and what you bring aboard. Stick around because number 10 could literally cost you $3,000 if you ignore it. Let's dive in. Number 1, cruise lines allow way more bags than you think. Cabin space is the real limit. Royal Caribbean recommends 2 bags per person. Carnival says 1 to 2. Disney requires 2 at 50 pounds each. MSC is strictest, 100 kilograms total, or 8 pieces per cabin. But here's the thing, all cruise lines charge 0 baggage fees. No $30 to $75 per bag charges like airlines. So technically, you can pack everything. But the underbed space is 12 to 14 inches tall. That's it. One family arrived with 6 large bags. We literally had no floor space to walk. The real limit is physics, not cruise line policy. Think about this. Your cabin is typically 170 to 250 square feet depending on category. Your bed takes up roughly 40 square feet. The bathroom is 20 to 30 square feet. A small sofa occupies another 20 square feet. Suddenly, you're looking at roughly 70 to 100 square feet of usable floor space. One large suitcase occupies about 2.5 square feet. 2 medium ones take 3 to 4 square feet. Multiply that by 6 bags and you've eliminated more than 15 square feet of floor space. Add 2 passengers and you've created a legitimate fire hazard. Number 2, 3 items cause 90% of confiscations. Clothing irons and steamers. All 6 cruise lines ban them as fire hazards, no exceptions. Hair straighteners and curling irons are fine because of built-in automatic shutoffs. Irons? Gone. Multi-plug outlets and power strips got banned by Royal Caribbean in September 2024. Now only USB charging hubs are allowed, but other cruise lines still permit them. Inconsistent enforcement is the problem, and passengers should check with their specific cruise line before arrival. Alcohol is where cruise lines get serious. All lines ban hard liquor and beer. Wine and champagne are allowed. 1 bottle per adult, 21 plus. Critical. Wine must go in carry-on at embarkation. Checked luggage wine gets automatically confiscated because of pressure differences and potential leakage into other passengers' belongings. The mouthwash bottle trick, involving plastic mouthwash bottles filled with vodka, over. Carnival is tracking TikTok smuggling hacks and issuing lifetime bans to passengers caught. They're serious about this. Security personnel receive training specifically to identify wine-shaped bottles, and officers inspect random bags throughout the first day aboard. Number 3, you've probably never heard of these bans, but they're new and they're real. September 2024, Royal Caribbean banned multi-plug outlet extenders, we covered that. But also recently, Carnival banned Bluetooth speakers to prevent noise pollution, especially in interior cabins where sound travels directly through walls. Norwegian banned all cabin door decorations, including magnetic ones and paper versions, because of safety protocols and concerns about fire codes. These policies reversed previous lenient approaches that crews could no longer manage effectively. Drones face evolving restrictions. MSC allows them on board, but strictly forbids use anywhere, even at sea. Disney prohibits them entirely. Norwegian bans walkie-talkies as of 2024 because of potential interference with ship communications and emergency protocols. Toy weapons face stricter scrutiny. Disney allows pirate swords for themed nights, but prohibits all toy guns, even for costume nights, due to security concerns on the dock. And here's a weird one that matters for specific passengers. Baby monitors are banned on Royal Caribbean due to signal interference with navigation systems. Fans have a complicated situation. Norwegian initially banned all fans, then revised to allow small battery or electrical fans subject to security approval during check-in. Larger box and tower fans prohibited on all lines due to fire hazard and circuit overload concerns. Homemade and fresh foods are banned across all lines now, period. One passenger watched security toss muffins baked for the steward in trash due to pest control and food safety rules. Prepackaged snacks are absolutely fine. Fresh bread, homemade cookies, fresh fruit brought in containers, gone. The trend is clear. Enforcement is getting stricter across the board in 2025, with security teams trained to recognize common smuggling tactics and prohibited items. Number 4, surprisingly, cruise lines charge 0 baggage fees. But here's what actually costs money. This is one of the best-kept secrets in the cruise industry. All 6 major cruise lines charge absolutely no luggage fees for standard baggage within allowances. This is incredibly different from airlines. Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Disney, Norwegian, Princess, they explicitly state no charges. Carnival's brand ambassador directly responded to rumors in 2024. "We are not charging for checked bags." MSC requires advance arrangements for overweight bags, but no fees are published. The advantage is massive compared to airlines, where a single oversized bag runs $150 to $200 per direction. So cruise lines win here, and this represents genuine savings compared to flying. But porters at the terminal? Those are port employees, not cruise line staff, and they work primarily for tips. Standard tipping is $1 to $2 per bag, with most people tipping $5 for a couple bags, $10 for 3 or 4, maybe $20 for larger loads. Have small bills ready. The hidden cost is if you're flying to the embarkation port, airlines charge their own baggage fees $30 to $75 per bag typically. That's not the cruise line's responsibility, but it's money out of your pocket. For specialty services like luggage valet on Royal Caribbean and Princess, fees range from $90 to $250 plus per bag, with Princess offering Princess Luggage Valet shipping bags from ship directly to airports. Third-party shipping services like Luggage Forward run $95 to $365 plus, depending on destination and time frame. For European cruises or extended voyages, this can actually make sense. For Caribbean cruises to Florida, probably not worth it. Calculate before deciding. Number 5. Your luggage probably won't arrive until late afternoon or after dinner. Here's how to actually handle this. Cruise lines officially promise luggage delivery in late afternoon through early evening. The reality: bags arrive anywhere from 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. or later, especially on high-capacity embarkation days with 2,000-plus cabins checking in. Royal Caribbean explicitly warns luggage may arrive after sail away due to high volume. MSC on megaships sometimes doesn't deliver until evening due to sheer logistics. Why does this matter? Because if you have early dinner seating at 5:45 p.m., your bags won't be there. You'll be wearing the same clothes you flew in with. You'll have no evening attire, you'll miss dinner or miss your luggage arrival. It's a genuine problem that catches people unprepared. The critical strategy: treat your carry-on as your survival kit. Pack swimsuit, sunscreen, toiletries, medications, all travel documents, valuables, and your formal dinner outfit in carry-on if you have early seating. When you board at 1:30 or 2 p.m., you can immediately head to the pool. Your stateroom might not be ready anyway. Disney explicitly warns staterooms may not be immediately available at boarding, even though general access starts mid-afternoon. Carnival closes checked baggage service 2 hours before sailing. Miss that window, and you're carrying it on. Priority delivery programs exist, but come with a price. Suite guests across all lines get priority luggage delivered first, typically within 2 to 3 hours of boarding. Carnival offers faster to the fun, $50 to $95 per person, with priority boarding and faster luggage delivery. Royal Caribbean's The Key, $19 to $30 per person per day, provides the same perk plus priority dining selection and various perks. Norwegian's Priority Access program lets non-suite guests jump the luggage queue for reasonable fees. For early boarders or guests with early dinner reservations, these packages genuinely justify the cost when you do the math. Number 6. Wheelchairs, CPAP machines, and medical equipment are welcomed. But you have to notify the cruise line in advance. All 6 cruise lines explicitly welcome wheelchairs, mobility scooters, and medical equipment. These items are never prohibited. Royal Caribbean requires requests at least 30 days prior via their special needs email so they can prepare appropriate cabins and equipment storage. The equipment stays in your stateroom, must keep fire doors and corridors clear. With restrictions apply: 23 inches for standard cabins, 32 inches for accessible staterooms. Norwegian requires completed accessibility questionnaires submitted weeks before sailing. MSC allows wheelchairs and actively assists. Disney welcomes stroller rentals and prohibits outside strollers only in specific areas. The bottom line: these items are fine and even encouraged for safe travel, but advance notice is absolutely mandatory. Don't just show up with a motorized scooter and hope for the best. Call ahead, get confirmation in writing, and confirm again at check-in. Number 7. Luggage tags are not optional. They're required, and here's why. Complete tags with passenger name, address, contact information, ship name, sail date, and stateroom number before arriving at the terminal. Use luggage tag holders from Amazon, $6 to $12 per 4-pack, rather than just staples. Tags falling off result in orphan luggage sitting in terminals while you wait in staterooms. Clear plastic holders with metal loops provide secure attachment and protect tags from weather damage. Attach tags on embarkation day morning, not before flights. Airline baggage handlers may confuse cruise tags with airline routing, sending bags to wrong destinations. This actually happened to thousands of passengers in prior years. All luggage undergoes X-ray security screening before loading. Keep bags unlocked for inspection. If locked, security may remove locks. TSA-approved locks provide some protection, but cruise lines aren't responsible for lock removal or damage. Security reserves the right to confiscate prohibited items without compensation. Number 8. Mid-cruise challenges with luggage rarely get discussed, but they're real and annoying. Luggage issues don't just happen at embarkation. Some passengers discover stateroom safes have serious security flaws. 90% use generic passwords like 0000 or 1234 that staff members know. Some can be opened with magnets, and they aren't anchored. Dishonest crew members could take entire safes. Change passwords immediately to something truly unique. Don't use obvious numbers like cabin numbers. Bring a portable safe with physical lock if carrying serious valuables. Bring a backup hiding place too. Split valuables. Passport and ship safe, cash hidden elsewhere, jewelry in a third location. Use the main safe at reception for ultra-valuable items. They're more secure and monitored. Port shopping creates luggage dilemmas. How do you return to the ship with new purchases if your cabin storage is already maxed out? Many experienced cruisers use collapsible tote bags, stored flat in checked luggage, deploying them at ports for shopping. Others mail purchases home from Caribbean ports for around $15 to $30. Some use services like Eurosender for excess items on European cruises. The reality, space management requires strategy from day one. Number 9. Self-carry versus checking is personal, but timing changes everything. Self-carry advantages: immediate access to belongings, ability to walk straight to cabin, no waiting for delivery, lower loss or damage risk, no tag printing hassles, immediate access to medications and essentials. Self-carry disadvantages: significant physical strain, especially for elderly passengers, must hold luggage if boarding before room ready. Impractical for elderly or mobility-limited passengers, and impractical for families managing strollers and kids simultaneously. Checking advantages: complete ease and convenience. No physical strain, porters handle everything. Immediate ability to explore ship and enjoy lunch unencumbered. Crew trained in luggage handling minimizes damage. Checking disadvantages: waiting until 6:30 p.m. or later for delivery, missing pool time and forcing repeat trips to check status. Rare but real risk of loss or temporary misdelivery. Requirement to print luggage tags at home before arrival, and potential for items to be misplaced. Priority programs improve checking dramatically. Suite guests across all lines get priority luggage delivery. Carnival's Faster to the Fun, Royal Caribbean's The Key, and Norwegian's Priority Access provide paid priority for non-suite guests. Crew now actively check credentials and turn away guests without proper status, trying to access cabins before 1:30 p.m. Hybrid strategies optimize both approaches. Many experienced cruisers check one large bag with most belongings while self-carrying a smaller bag with first-day essentials: swimsuit, sunscreen, change of clothes, medications, documents, dinner outfit if early seating, and toiletries. This provides immediate pool access while avoiding physical strain. Number 10. Magnetic hooks and packing cubes are the secret weapons of experienced cruisers, and they're game changers. Nearly every wall, door, ceiling, and closet interior surface aboard ships is metal, allowing magnetic hooks to create custom storage. An 8 to 10 pack costs $10 to $15 from Gator Magnetics or similar brands and weighs almost nothing in your carry-on. Popular applications: hang robes and hats on cabin walls, wet swimsuits on bathroom walls to drip dry, power strips safely off floor surfaces, laundry bags on closet doors, towels on bathroom walls, beach bags near cabin door for quick port departures, shower caddies on bathroom walls. One cruiser said magnetic hooks were game changers. We hang everything we can to free up counter and drawer space. Underbed storage mastery begins immediately upon entering staterooms. Beds typically offer 12 to 14 inches clearance, fitting 4 standard suitcases when properly nested. One crucial hack: leave one suitcase partially open as a pop-up laundry hamper, lined with mesh bags for easy end-of-cruise packing. Collapsible luggage brands like Away Nest efficiently and compress flat when empty. Some passengers use underbed space for empty suitcases, while placing a collapsible pop-up hamper from Dollar Tree in closets for dirty clothes. Packing cubes serve as portable drawer organizers. Color code cubes by family member. Roll clothing instead of folding to maximize space and reduce wrinkles. Mix and match color schemes allow 7-day wardrobes from 15 to 20 items. Long cotton scarves serve multiple functions: airplane blankets, beach cover-ups, pillow enhancements, head coverings for religious sites, layering pieces. Wooden clothespins dry wet items on balconies without blowing away. Carabiners attach water bottles to bags and hang wet shoes from shower rods safely. Hanging organizers transform bathroom doors into instant storage. Over-door 20-pocket organizers cost $8 to $15 and hold toiletries, sunscreen, medications, and accessories without consuming counter space. Hanging toiletry bags on door hooks keep morning routines organized and off the limited counter. Closet optimization starts with requesting extra hangers from cabin stewards immediately. Ships typically provide 12 to 24 hangers, insufficient for week-plus cruises. Double hang technique: place blouses over sundresses, shirts over pants. Remove unused items like ice buckets and wine glasses to free shelf space. Self-service launderettes on most ships reduce packing needs. Washing and dryers cost $2 to $3 per load, with detergent sold on board or bring from home in travel-size pods. This allows 7-day clothing supplies to suffice for 14-day cruises. Dry cleaning and pressing services charge fees, but help maintain formal wear for multiple formal nights. Space-saving travel essentials: RFID blocking wallets prevent skimming at ports, $15 to $25. White noise machines block late-night partier noise, $20 to $30. Collapsible ripstop totes serve as shore excursion bags and dirty laundry separators, $3 to $5. Small power banks charge devices without occupying outlets. Multi-USB charging hubs charge phones and tablets simultaneously, and compression bags squeeze out air to save room. And here's the final wisdom: lay out everything you think you need, then put half back. The just-in-case mentality leads to cabin clutter and unused items traveling round-trip. The cruise line provides pool towels, hangers, hair dryers, basic toiletries, and extensive dining. No need for backup supplies. Focus on essentials: appropriate clothing for weather and formal nights, medications, sunscreen, reef-safe insect repellent for tropical ports, comfortable walking shoes for excursions, and necessary electronics with charging cables. Everything else is likely available for purchase if truly needed. So there you have it: 10 cruise luggage rules that will save you from confiscation chaos, cabin clutter, and hundreds in replacement costs. The rules got stricter in 2025, enforcement intensified, and inconsistency remains the norm across cruise lines. But strategic passengers who understand these rules avoid problems entirely. Complete online check-in immediately upon availability. Print and attach luggage tags securely. Pack first-day essentials and carry-on. Get travel insurance with proper baggage coverage. Use air tags for tracking. And remember, cabin space is your real limit, not cruise line policy. If this helped you cruise smarter, hit like and subscribe with Cruise Smart in the comments. Share your biggest luggage mistake in the comments below. I read them all and respond to most. Until next time, happy sails and smooth seas.